In this video, we'll walk you through how to integrate HReasily with NetSuite step by step. You'll learn how to create your integration in NetSuite, connect it to HReasily, map your pay items, and sync your payroll data seamlessly between both systems. Log into your NetSuite account. From the top menu, go to Setup, then Integrations, and select Manage Integrations. Next, click New to create a new integration. Give your integration a name, for example, HReasily Integration. Make sure the state is set to Enabled. In the Authentication section under OAuth 2.0, tick the checkbox for Authorization Code Grant and enter the redirect URL provided by HReasily. Under Scope, select REST Web Services. Once done, click Save. Your client ID and client secret will now be generated. Copy both values and store them securely, as NetSuite will not display them again after you leave this page. Now that you have the client ID and client secret from NetSuite, log in to your HReasily account. From the main dashboard, go to Company, Integrations, then select NetSuite. Click Connect to NetSuite. In HReasily, enter your NetSuite account ID. This is the subdomain portion of your NetSuite URL. Next, input your client ID and client secret that you generated earlier. Once all fields are filled in, click Submit. A new window will appear asking you to authorize the connection. Click Allow to proceed. After a few moments, a confirmation screen will appear indicating that your HReasily NetSuite connection has been successfully established. After your connection to NetSuite is authorized, the next step is to configure your NetSuite settings in HReasily. Begin by entering your NetSuite Subsidiary ID under the App Settings tab. This ensures that all payroll data is synced to the correct subsidiary in NetSuite. Next, go to the Pay Types tab. Here, you'll see a list of pay items such as basic salary, CPF contributions, and expense reimbursements. Before you start mapping, choose your grouping method, either by employee group or by department, even if you're not planning to group the sync. For each pay item, select the corresponding NetSuite expense account and NetSuite Select account, debit and credit accounts from the drop-down lists. The system automatically saves your mappings. There's no need to click Save. The Add button is used when you're mapping by employee group or by department. Click Add to select a specific department or employee group, then assign the appropriate expense and debit accounts. You can also include an optional memo if you want a note to appear in the journal entry. This gives you the flexibility to map pay items differently for various teams or departments within your organization. Once your pay item mappings are complete, you're ready to sync your payroll to NetSuite. Go to the Payroll page in HReasily and select an approved payroll that you'd like to sync. On the Payroll Summary screen, click the Sync to NetSuite button. The system will begin transferring your payroll data to NetSuite based on the mappings and grouping method you've set up earlier. The sync process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your payroll. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear, and you'll be able to view the corresponding journal entries directly in NetSuite. This completes the payroll sync process. Your HReasily payroll data is now successfully reflected in your NetSuite account.